As I said in the previous video, there are countless websites that you can use to learn English for free. In this video I'm going to show you some of the best websites I have found. The first has to be Duolingo. This site is known by practically everybody that is studying English. It is one of the most popular to learn languages, not only English, and the best thing is that it is completely free. It works almost like a game, in which you get rewards for achievements that you are accomplishing in the language. Duolingo can be used in the computer and also in any type of smartphone with iOS or Android system. Another very good website is Memrise.com. Here you can learn many languages, not only English. It works based on courses that have been created by the same company that manages the site, or also by people who have collaborated uploading their own courses. It is quite similar to Duolingo and can also be used completely free. However, it has a paid version that adds some features that greatly improves its capabilities. AgendaWeb.org is a place where you can find thousands and thousands of grammar exercises. Although the site looks a little old-fashioned, it has very good content to practice with English grammar. ESLFast.com. This site is great for practicing comprehension and listening because it has hundreds of small conversations and also mini stories with their respective transcriptions. I mean that you will see mini stories with their respective audio to listen to, and at the same time read the stories. A site like this is very useful for practicing comprehension before an automatic test of the English language. On this type of test, I will talk with much more detail in section 6 of this course. So these are some of the best websites to practice English. Now you can download the PDF file that accompanies this video, where you will see the links and also the description of 2 other similar websites. Additionally, in the YouTube channel I'm going to be uploading videos with a more detailed analysis of each resource.